I'm Ellen Snelling, and I'm with the Hillsborough County Anti-Drug Alliance, and I've been in the prevention field for almost 25 years now. And I first got in because of my own daughter, who started using substances when she was in 10th grade. She was in a brand new school, started hanging around with different friends, and even though I thought it couldn't happen in my family, it did. And she went from using some alcohol, smoking cigarettes, then to marijuana, and then on to hard drugs. So because of my experience, I got involved in the prevention field to try to help other families. When you walk into a gas station and you see a case of, they look very colorful and bright, fruit colors, fruit flavors, and but when you look at them more closely, they actually have THC or Kratom in them. So that's what I call the gas station drugs. And I'm seeing them in convenience stores, gas stations, restaurants, just almost everywhere. That's how common they are now. And they're allowed to be sold because of loopholes in the federal law and in the state law. I really think parents need to be on the lookout so you're more familiar with these. In fact, I have some examples. These are some of the drinks that I actually found this Delta drink in Circle K. So even the mainstream convenience stores are starting to carry this, and this has 10 milligrams of THC in one drink. And I found it in the same case as beer. So it's just very normalized. It can be right next to the Gatorade and iced tea. And if you're not looking at it closely on the front, it doesn't even really have any information about THC. You have to look at the back. So it just looks like a seltzer or an energy drink. And then one of the popular Kratom drinks is called White Rabbit. It contains metragine, which is a form of Kratom. Something I've noticed is that they market it as being healthy, and it says no alcohol. You know, it's like an alcohol substitute, but it also says no GMO, vegan, no, gluten-free. So to try to get people, not only our young people, but people who want to improve their health, to think of this as a healthy alternative to alcohol. And it can cause rapid heart rate. It can cause nausea and vomiting. It can even cause seizures. It can possibly lead to coma and being unconscious. In very young children, there have been a couple of deaths in the United States from these products. So it can have very dangerous effects. And just because you buy them in the gas station or convenience store doesn't mean they're safe. These are not FDA approved. Why would you put drugs into candy? I just feel like that is something, so it's not just the THC industry and the hemp industry that's doing that. We have the Kratom industry is also putting this drug into candy and selling it in convenience stores. So I just would like to be a lot more awareness about that, and then I would like to see some policy changes and some laws passed to keep our kids safe.